Welcome back to our videos, and today we're going to talk about the difference between buying a home with down payment assistance and without down payment assistance.
Hey Daniel, why don't you share about your personal experience?
Okay, for sure. So I've had the opportunity to buy a house with the down payment assistance and without the down payment assistance. The first house that I bought was in Missouri City. I was showing the house to a client of mine, and they were not too interested in the property. So I asked the seller, hey, how about I make an offer on your house and you guys pay for my closing costs? So I made them the offer and they offered to pay for my closing costs. Now that didn't cover everything. That just covered the closing costs. And we talk about closing costs, fees, and all that in a different episode. I then used the down payment assistance to cover the down payment.
Wow, well that's great, Daniel. That's great to hear. You know, it's great to let people know that you've obviously experienced both situations. Now, we are going to mention with you guys some of the things that you might need in order to qualify for the down payment assistance. The first thing being is that your credit score needs to be at least 620. And for income, there are no income limits, so you can make however much money and still be able to qualify for the down payment assistance, which is something great. This also applies for anyone, whether it is that you're a first-time home buyer or a second-time home buyer, or whatever the case may be, it applies for anyone. And then the down payment assistance is from 3 to 5% right now, which it has changed quite a lot.
So yes, the down payment assistance does vary depending on the economy, really. Sometimes it can go from 3% to 5%. Sometimes they kind of get rid of the down payment assistance until the market can find its way through, you know, whatever's going on. Yes, stability, exactly. Sometimes it's just crazy. That's where a lot of buyers kind of get scared. Well, by the time the market finds its footing, and then you want to jump back into the real estate market.
That's everyone.
That's everybody. Yeah. So now you have all this competition.
Just get it over with. Never gonna be a perfect time.
And like you said, just do it because you're gonna have to cross this path at some point. Mm-hmm. At some point, you're gonna renew your lease. You're gonna be tired of your landlord. Mm-hmm. You're gonna see friends and family buying a house, and they're gonna encourage you or try to advise you to do it. And so, really, these videos are to educate you, to motivate you to seek out the opportunity. So, moving forward. On your screen, you're going to see two examples, without assistance and with assistance. Follow along without assistance. The purchase price of this example is $275,000. We're going to use an FHA loan with a 3.5% down payment. So your down payment on this house is $9,625. Assuming that you have a 620 credit score, your interest rate is 5.75%. The mortgage is $2,303. Your cash to close all in to buy this house is $13,056. This includes your down payment, your lender fees, your title fees, your property taxes, and your home insurance.
So with assistance, it's going to be the same home, so the same purchase price, the same loan. So the purchase price is $275. The loan is going to be at 3.5% for the down payment, and the down payment will be $9,625. Assuming that your credit is 620 still, and the interest rate with assistance is going to be a little bit higher, your interest rate will be at 6.875. So it's going to be $2,457, the difference being $154. Your cash to close is going to be $395.
So if you look at the screen, look at the cash to close section. Without assistance, you have to bring $13,056 for a $275,000 house. If you look at the bottom with assistance, you have to bring $395. So that means you're saving $13,500 on this property. So you're gonna have to ask yourself, am I willing to buy a home at $154 more a month and save me $13,500? It's just gonna come down to your monthly payment, what you want it to be. If you have the cash to put down on a house, go for it. But if you do not, the down payment assistance is definitely the way to go. All right, so that was a little breakdown on the down payment assistance.
So now we are going to talk about what it is that you can do in order to buy down the interest rate. The first thing that you can do is buy down the interest rate. The second thing that you can do is have the seller pay for it. There is a lot of seller contributions, so you can actually use that money to buy down the interest rate. And then you could also put a larger down payment as another option to buy down the interest rate.
Those are just a few tips on how to buy a home with down payment assistance and why you should buy a home with down payment assistance. We're going to continue doing videos for you guys, kind of highlighting important things as you get out there and start looking for a house. Also, if you're looking for a real estate agent that has a lot of knowledge with the home buying process, definitely give me and Griselda a call. We're here to help you.
If there's any specific topics that you guys want to hear about, do let us know, and then we could definitely do another video over that and just basically inform you guys.
Definitely. Have a good day.